Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, my name is Kacey Eloy, and fun fact, I'm still wearing my sleeping pants. You don't have to know that, but I'm sorry. Anyways, today I'll be doing a clothing haul / review, and the brand of the clothes that I have is called is from two brands, God is Dope and Rebound Kings. So I'll be like trying on. My lips feel a little bit dry. Like I was trying to say, basically I'll try them on and do kind of like try to see if I can do a few fits, so I can give you and I an idea of how these outfits and these tees and hoodies should look or can look. So yeah, let's just get started. A little bit background on the two. I ordered everything the same. Ooh, it's getting dark, but I ordered everything the same night or day. Yeah, I think it was at night. And basically, both of the companies were having a sale, which was I think $10 or $9.99 for each shirt, or like for the product, $9.99 and up. So like the things like some of the things that I got, like the hoodie and the hat, were a little bit more expensive, I think. Yeah, they were all cheaper than, they were on sale. And then, also, like, I can't remember if I paid for shipping. No, I think I did pay for shipping. For sure for Rebound Kings, I think. But everything came, like, in less than a week, or, like, in a week. It didn't take long for any of the items to come to me. So, like I said, I was going to do Rebound. OMG, I've been saying Rebound. Reborn, I'm so sorry. Reborn Kings. And I just got one item. Yeah, I just got one. Well, I ordered two items, but I ordered two of these yellow tops. And then gave one to my older cousin. So yeah, this was $9.99. Shipping was $4.28. And so everything was like $14.27. But the shirt says, "To God be the glory," I think. I'm weak. So basically, here's the top. It's a mustard green. Is this called mustard green?
What?
All it says is, "To God be the glory," and I got a small, but I should have thought about it. I should have thought about it, because this, oh my gosh. I'm gonna stand. I don't know if y'all gonna be able to see me, but this is literally going to my, it's so long. So like I was saying, this is like really long. So I'm most likely gonna tuck it in or tie it at the bottom. So I don't know, but we'll see. So now we're gonna move on to God is Dope. I only have one from Reborn Kings, that's why I put both of them together. But let's just move to God is Dope. I opened up the box, and everything came in a box like this. And to be honest, I was like, is everything gonna fit? But I don't know why I thought I bought so much. Like, I bought 5 items. Like, they could fit in here. I guess because I thought it was like I got a hoodie. I thought it was gonna be like a big, massive box, but they didn't get. And everything's like folded really nicely and stuff. Like really cute. Ooh, yeah, it's folded really nicely. So props to them. Okay, so let's just get started. So the first item in the box is the denim hat. It's from the denim hat collection, and is the Just God hat in denim. Really cute, really fresh, really fun. And it says Just God right here, period. And then back here it says God is dope. So let's throw it on, shall we? Yes? Okay. Okay, so I'm happy my hair. Okay, so most likely if I were to wear it, I feel like it looks better with my. I feel like it looks better with my hair tied back, maybe. Yeah, sure. But basically, no, it looks good both ways. I have a pretty small head, so this is how it looks. So the next item is this hoodie. So when it comes to this hoodie, I didn't want to be looking bright or anything. So like I bought a basic hoodie that I'm probably gonna wear like every day. Yeah. So it's black, it's basic, it's long sleeve, it's like small, cute. Oh, cool. And I got a white tee to match, which also says God is dope in a size small. Dude, this thing's making me disappear in the camera. Unacceptable. But yeah, so size small, God is dope. Doop. Okay. The next, so I got 3 tees. So that was the number 1. This was the 1. God is dope. Number 2, it says Woman of God. That's me. That's me. So I literally can wear these with like skirts, with jeans, with shorts, with a lot of stuff. So that's that. And then in the material, especially this one, I don't know. This one feels really soft, this black one. Okay. But then the next one is this God loves me anyways. I hope you guys enjoyed this haul slash review. Everything was fresh, clean, fun. Guys, Dope is cool. Reborn Kings is cool. And you guys should go check them out. Thank you for watching. Please like, comment, subscribe. Let me know in the comments below what you would like to see. Let me know which outfit was your favorite, or like which outfit that I put together was your favorite, 1, 2, 3, 4, or whatever. Like, I don't know, like Woman of God, top, or you know what I mean. Please go watch last week's video, or you know, my past videos. And if I have like videos after this that you haven't watched yet, please go ahead and do that. Please follow me on Instagram. Please follow my social media. You know, keep up with me. If you made it this far while I was rambling and all that stuff, like, thank you so much. Love you so much. Stay beautiful. Okay, that's it.
It's not for me to say.